Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the channel. Like a lot of you, we got a storage issue here at the cabin for our tractor implements. So I'm going to solve this problem by building some dollies so I can scoot them around and hopefully keep them confined to the left side, keep the right side open for the tractor. So the implements that I use most here at the cabin are the front end loader and the snow blower. I need a dolly 65 inches wide, and with the arms extended, I've got to come back roughly 55. So I'm going to cut out some treated lumber now, and I'll have two legs of this 2x6. See, I got it marked there, 65. And then I'll cut two more pieces to get my 55 that I need for the depth. 85 3/4. So we're square. I picked up these 4-inch wheels on Amazon, and they're rated at 550 pounds each, which should be more than plenty for my job. The thing I really like about them, they have this wheel lock on each of the wheels, and it locks the swivel here and also locks the wheel from moving, which will be great considering the slope of the carport floor. So I'm going to utilize these 3-inch deck screws from Deckmate that I picked up from Home Depot. These should more than do the task. Okay, now I'll go ahead and make the pilot for my wheels. Now I'm not going to drive each of them home yet until I get them all in place. Okay, I got the wheels on. One thing I want to point out, if you're going with casters that have a lock, make sure you have them positioned where you can reach them with your toe. So if you were to place the wheel too far inward, you might not be able to grab that with the toe of your foot. Also, you want to check that on both sides so that it's easily accessible is the point I'm trying to make here. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is, since I'm going to be using this dolly for the tractor bucket, I want this to be a flat top dolly. So I'm going to go cut a piece of wood that'll fill in this distance, plywood across the top. I have a completely flat surface. All right. So measuring how far my guard is off from the blade, 1.5 inches. So I want to set my makeshift fence to 1.5 inches also. Just a little bit further. There's 1.5 inches. Check down the line. Check the other side. 1.5 inches. So with that set, using the level as my fence, I should just be able to rip that piece and have my 65 inches on the right hand side of it. I'm going to go get Tammy so she can hold up our end here, and we'll make this cut. So now all that's left is to do a skirt using 2x4s around 3 of the 4 sides. So I'm going to make this back fence 66 is the length of the platform at 1.5 inches to each side, so 3 inches So I need to cut this 69 inches. Now, if you have a big storage area, then obviously you don't need any of these dollies, but the carport up here at the cabin is only 14 by 20. So don't have a lot of width once the tractor's parked. So I think these dollies will come out just great. Use 3-inch screws, 4-inch wheels, treated 4x6s for the support. Yeah, not bad. For a guy without much tools up here at the cabin, circular saw, a couple power drills. That's about it.